In the land of Moab, a woman named Ruth faced a profound loss. Despite her grief, Ruth chose loyalty over returning to her people. Ruth's heartfelt vow made their bond unbreakable. They returned to Bethlehem with nothing but faith and hope. To feed themselves, Ruth gleaned grain in the fields. In the fields, Ruth caught the eye of a kind man named Boaz. Boaz admired Ruth's loyalty and dedication. Boaz offered Ruth kindness and protection. Their bond deepened, fueled by mutual respect and love. Boaz proposed marriage, redeeming Ruth's family name. Their wedding was a celebration of faith and loyalty. From their union, a child named Obed was born. Obed would be the grandfather of King David, a lineage blessed. Through Ruth's loyalty, the Messiah's line was set. Loyalty, humility, and faithfulness never go unnoticed. Ruth's journey is a testament to embracing faith. Every small act of kindness leads to God's blessings. Stand by your loved ones as Ruth stood by Naomi. Your loyalty can change lives, just like Ruth's. Join Ruth's journey of faith and love. What will you choose? If you enjoy this story, please subscribe, like, share, and comment for more stories.